This is DJI Mini 3 Pro, and today I'll show how you can change the peaking level preferences on this device. So to start, you will need to take your controller or phone, launch the DJI Fly app, then enter the flying interface. Here tap at these three horizontal dots, go into the camera category, scroll down, find the peaking level options, and here you can either disable it or enable it in one of the three modes, low, normal, and high. And as you can see, when enabled in manual focus mode, the objects in focus will be outlined in red, and the higher the peaking level, the thicker the outline. So let's set it all the way up to high. Enable the manual focus here. That's automatic. Let's set it to manual. And as you can see, the objects that are in focus are intensively marked in the red color here. If I were to zoom in, for example, as you can see, as you should see, the outline will change. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.